On November 22, 2024, an Arkansas police officer observed a vehicle traveling on the highway bearing no license plate. The officer engaged the blue lights to conduct a traffic stop, and the vehicle pulled over. While explaining the reason for the traffic stop to the female driver, the officer noticed the male passenger appeared to be nervous, trying to avoid making eye contact with the officer. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Good evening. Hi, I'm good. I'm Officer South Mountain Home Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you got the license plate.
Yeah. We're waiting on it in the mail or whatever. I'm not sure the whole situation. But, it is registered, I think.
So you do have registration for it? Yeah, registration, driver's license, and proof of insurance. Is it your car? So you're not sure why they haven't given you a license plate? Is that the...
I think there's a fee I have to pay.
So is the plate number on this still good to this car?
I do believe so.
Do you have your driver's license? You're not sure where all the registration stuff is? Alright, if you can work on that, get it sent, I'll try running it based on this plate and see what I can figure out, okay? I'll be right back with you guys.
Yo,
Might be a good one for you.
where you at?
Big Steve's.
Hey, you want me to come and search it?
I'm going to try some verbal judo. I'm not so worried about her. She's got possession of marijuana previously. But the passenger, I don't know who he is. He's a male. He's pretty fidgety.
Okay, I'm headed there.
Alright. Any luck on that?
I don't know why it's not showing up.
You got an ID on you, brother? You're on your way home? Alright, what's your name?
Barry Liner.
Liner? Like L-I-N-E-R? Okay. Oh, there we go. I'm just curious why they didn't give you a plate. Are you on probation or parole or anything like that, sir? Okay. Huh?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore? What were you on?
I'm on for what?
For breaking and entering? No. Is there anything in the car that I need to know about? Any guns, grenades, explosives, marijuana, narcotics, anything illegal? Let me go see if I can run this by the VIN, okay?
What's up? Was you going somewhere? Huh?
Just home.
Oh. Get the name of the passenger?
I don't have an ID on him. It says his name is Barry Liner.
You need a date of birth? Hey, buddy. Hey, can you write your name and date of birth there on there for me?
I think I found him.
He seems a little nervous. Hey, do you have any identification on you?
I don't know.
You don't?
I'm just gonna run here and use the bathroom real quick.
No.
Okay.
Here,
I'll
put
get
your hands up. No, put your hands up here.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Where you going?
Nowhere. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will. Let me up.
Oh, you're not getting up.
Quit it. I'm stopping.
Oh, come on. Get on the ground.
I am. Stop.
Get on the ground. Andrew.
I got it.
I know.
Stop.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Let me go. I will. Okay, hold up.
Come on, bud.
Hold up.
Come on. Where you going?
Nowhere. I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will. Let me up.
Not get up.
Damn. Quit it. I'm stopping. I'm stopping. Quit. I am.
I know.
I can't breathe. Let me go.
Taser,
I will quit.
Loading.
Let go.
Stop. Put your
Please.
hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. Put your hand behind your back.
I can't move.
No, it won't. All right.
Okay, stop.
Stop. You're done. You're done.
Give it up.
You're done.
Okay, please, get off of me, get off!
Turn around.
Get off me!
Turn around. You're done. You're done. Quit.
Hey, it's 4 against 1, bro. Give up.
Okay.
His name's Joseph.
Give me your hand, dude.
Joseph.
Lay down. Lay on your belly now.
Get on my belly. I'll get on my knees.
Get on your belly.
On your belly.
On your belly.
I'm trying!
Hold up. I'm trying. Stop.
On your belly.
I'm trying!
Hold up. I'm trying. Stop. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Stop.
Press down on the back of his knees.
Okay, I'm done.
Put your hands back, Joseph. Put your hands on your back.
No, I can't.
All right.
I got this. I got this.
Hey, somebody cuff him. I need help.
I got this.
I got this hand. They're cuffing.
I got taser.
Oh, do my feet.
Thank you.
My feet's hurting.
Put that other hand back there now.
Your hand.
Put it back now.
Joseph, put your hand back there.
Right here.
Put it on your back.
Please, man, I can't breathe for real. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please.
Let him up so you can breathe.
Roll him on his side.
I can't breathe.
Sit up. Sit up. Nice stand up. Sit on your ass. Up. Oh, yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah, you're done. Right there. That's what he dropped.
I thought I saw a camera on the ground.
Yeah, mine.
I don't know where it went. Here it is.
Yeah. I knew you were lying. Thank you, guys.
Step on out. I know you didn't do anything, but step on out.
Move your purse there for me.
Step over here for me, please. Do you got anything on you?
No.
Poke stick and stop me.
No.
I don't feel like getting poked on top of everything else.
No.
Nothing in your brow, correct? Alright, I'm not gonna have you lift up your shirt, but just grab it and you can do a little, as us females do.
I think I can't.
Can't?
My boobs are out of my bra now.
Okay.
Can I put them back?
Yeah, you can. I'm not arresting you. I'm not even gonna put you in the cuffs, okay? At this point, I am gonna detain you just until we get everything figured out, okay? So I'm gonna place you in the back of my car, you
Can I
understand?
shut my car off?
I will shut it off for you.
I can't see it. Oh, it's hard even without cuffs.
And I'll be back in a moment, okay?
You searched him yet, Rock?
No. So this.
Get your gloves on.
Yep. What do you need?
I'm gonna get them probes.
Yeah.
I ain't how we're gonna pull these probes.
Alright, they're about to fill a pop.
Work with you. Can't help you if you're resisting and fleeing. There's nothing I can do.
Oh, come on, man.
There's nothing I can do.
Nothing at all.
Oh, he's got all the stuff.
Yeah, he has a lot.
He's got the Zany bars. Is that the methamphetamines? Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, go ahead and have a seat back in your car. You can get it started again. I'll get all your stuff and bring it to you, okay? Keisha,
Thank you.
no seatbelts. Just don't leave it sitting there if you can't afford it, because then you'll get failure to pay or FTA, okay?
You got your seatbelt on? Yeah, so do I. You f yourself when you start acting like an idiot.
A month ago, she got 3 months to live.
Yeah.
Haven't seen her in 4 years. That's the only reason.
Yeah.
I've turned myself in. I know a lot.
So do we.
If they know I can take it right to the house right now.
Yeah, we probably know about it. $42 PD, I'll be 15 when male, 19 to the jail.
10-4.
$42 PD, I'm out the jail.
That'd be fine. He's up the jail already.
Hop on out.
Joseph Young was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations, disorderly conduct, fleeing on foot, resisting arrest, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of meth or cocaine with purpose to deliver, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. His bond was set at $15,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.